Stop scrolling. This homemade Chick-fil-A sauce tastes so close to the real thing, you might never hit the drive-thru again. And wait till you hear the one tiny ingredient twist most people completely miss. That's the game changer. Here's all you need. Half a cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons barbecue sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Simple lineup, but the magic is in how you use it. Start with half a cup mayonnaise, your creamy base. Add 2 tablespoons honey for that smooth sweetness. Now mix in 1 tablespoon yellow mustard. That's your tangy kick. Next, pour in 2 teaspoons barbecue sauce for that subtle smoky flavor. And here's where most people mess up. Add only 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Stir it slowly until it turns into that rich, creamy golden sauce. But don't dip yet, seriously. Let it sit for 10 minutes. This step blends everything together and takes the flavor to a whole new level. Now try it. It's creamy, tangy, slightly smoky, with that sweet finish. This Chick-fil-A sauce is ridiculously addictive. Some people swear it tastes even better fresh than the original Chick-fil-A sauce. So tell me, are you making this at home or still grabbing the original? Let me know.